Understanding Mint Julep Recipe, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, Mint Julep Recipe. This phrase is not just about a drink, but it's also a great example of how English combines words to convey specific meanings. If you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and cultural knowledge, stay tuned. Let's dissect the phrase, Mint Julep Recipe. The term mint refers to a fresh herb known for its sweet aroma and cool, refreshing taste. Julep, on the other hand, is a type of drink, traditionally made with bourbon, sugar, water, and mint leaves. So, when we talk about a mint julep, we're referring to this specific cocktail. The word recipe is a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish or drink. Therefore, a mint julep recipe is a guide on how to make this iconic beverage. The mint julep is more than just a drink. It's a cultural icon in the southern United States, especially associated with the Kentucky Derby horse race. Understanding this phrase gives you a glimpse into American culture, traditions, and social customs. Discussing the mint julep can be a fun way to engage in conversations about American culture and festivals. You might hear this phrase in different contexts. For instance, in a conversation, someone might say, "I'm looking for a good mint julep recipe for my Kentucky Derby party." Or in a cooking show, the host might announce, "Today, we're going to share our secret mint julep recipe." Recognizing and understanding such phrases enriches your conversational skills and comprehension of English in real-life scenarios. I hope this exploration of the phrase, Mint Julep Recipe, has been enlightening and enjoyable. Understanding phrases like this not only builds your vocabulary but also helps you connect with cultural aspects of the English-speaking world. Keep practicing, and you'll soon find yourself comfortably navigating through the rich and diverse landscape of the English language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.